everyone. Today we are going to do an experiment to see how pressure depends upon the area over which the force is applied. Here I have taken a thumbtack and pasted it upside down over a board. Take a balloon and put it over the thumbtack. Press it. And the balloon pops. Now I have 50 thumbtacks all upside down and I am going to repeat the same. What was that? A single thumbtack accomplished what 50 could not do. Can you guess why? Pause for a minute and think about this. Pressure is given by force divided by area, which means that the pressure depends on the area over which the force is applied. If the same force is applied, then the pressure at any point would be more if the area of contact is less, and pressure would be less if the area of contact is more. A single thumbtack provides only a small surface area over which the force is distributed, which means all the pressure on the balloon is concentrated on that single thumbtack. So, a small amount of force would provide enough pressure to pop the balloon. When we put the balloon on the bed of thumbtacks, the pressure is spread across a larger area. Pressure at individual thumbtack is less, so balloon can withstand greater force before popping. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. If you did, please like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more such interesting science experiments.